Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist here. Just getting some shapes in here. Nice swing up for the ears. Just aiming at flow and drawing really quickly to capture the feeling rather than a bunch of details. Always turn your paper if it works better. If you're more comfortable, you'll have more success. So now I'm just starting to darken up the lines that I like. Exaggerating things a little for character. That's my eye lines. It helps me get the eyes in there. And that's how I form the snout. Just keeping my lines loose and fluid. I find I get a nicer energy that way, rather than the drawing getting all stiff if I worry about every curve and bump. And I tighten up a little bit more when I get to facial features, get them in the right place, especially the eyes. But you know, a bit of wonkiness is okay too because it adds character. Oh, I like that look. Tabby marks also help add expression too. And even if they're not there, a lot of times I put them there, I guess, because that's just more my style, and you got to find your own way. Just a suggestion of toe lines. Going more with what I know than with what I see in the photo. Just the feeling of it. Just random lines to suggest markings and to suggest a little bit of movement too. I felt that back was a bit too high. That's better. Still feel like maybe the head is a bit small, but that's okay. You know what? Each drawing is a learning process. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to learn about cat drawing, or tell me about yourself or your cat. Just fine-tuning a bit on the important parts and some wiggle lines. Yeah, I felt I could do a better job of that, but I think I liked it better before. Oh well. You live and learn, or you draw and learn. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.